have seen so many chicks. Look at this, look at this. If you look closely, you'll see there's a chicken there. Good morning, kiddies, and welcome back to Ham Wall. Today we're still going after the cuckoo, but we're going to be on the opposite side today. I'll lift you down a bit. There you go. Which is the most likely place to see him. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and walk to one of the, I think it's called Tor Hide, and have a look and see if there's any chicks there. I've got a feeling there might be. A very noisy bird, that's fine. There might be something there. Yeah, it's the Tor Hide. Ironically, it's not the best of views as Tor, but that's fine. And then we're going to walk to the very bottom. I'm not going to show on the screen. It's Easter Sunday today. And it looks like they've got a church set up here. Mind you, if I was going to go to church, here would be the better place rather than an old building. Mind you, I do like castles. Look at that sun, eh? Beautiful. 6:30 in the morning. Quite early for a church thing. I don't know what time they normally start, but 6:30. But I suppose if I was going to church, I would rather it be first thing in the morning. And maybe this is the wrong thing to say, but then I could then have the rest of the day to myself to do what I want to do.
and come back. Great Crested Grebe.
Sunset on the canyon road. One arm out my window.
I got the very end of it.
Left and didn't tell a soul. Where I'm headed, I don't know. Life is heavy lately. Nothing seems to go my way these days. I feel the season changing, and I think it's about time I close my eyes and let it take me somewhere new tonight. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide. Wherever the wind blows, I know it's better than where I've been. Moonlight on a back road drive, the last breath of late July. Watch the days turn into nights, but none of them were ever mine. Life is heavy lately, and good things can never stay that way. Feel the season changing, and I think it's about time I realized that I can still be someone new if I try. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide. Wherever the wind blows, I know it's better than where I've been. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way in. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide. Wherever the wind blows, I know it's better than where I've been. It's better than where I've been. Wherever the wind blows, wherever the wind blows, yeah. There's not a thing that I would change. When I look back on every day, I count the blessings that became. Like when the drought needed the rain, when the winter nights were frozen cold, reaching for a hand to hold, I found you. I went north to south, from east to west, the emptiness that filled my chest without you. The storm may come and hide our sun, I'll stand near with I'll stand here with you, yeah. When seasons change and colors fade, I'll stand here with you. I'll stand here with you, yeah. And as the winds of life blow back and forth, I'll be your true north. When the distance feels too far, like you hold me where you are, family always on your heart, there's nothing keeping us apart. When the winter nights were frozen cold, reaching for a hand to hold, I found you. I went north to south, from east to west, the emptiness that filled my chest without you. The storm may come and hide our sun. I'll stand near with you. I'll stand near with you, yeah. When seasons change and colors fade, I'll stand near with you. I'll stand near with you, yeah. And as the winds of life blow back and forth, I'll be your true north. I'll be your true north. If the sky grows dark, if the sun won't shine, I can find my hope in your deep brown eyes. There's a song inside and its melody is a vow. And I promise you we cannot undo, 'cause we bound ourselves to a love so true. Every star in the galaxy of us. The storm may come and hide our sun, and we'll stand here. We'll stand right here. The storm may come and hide our sun. I'll stand near with you. I'll stand near with you, yeah. When seasons change and colors fade, I'll stand near with you. I'll stand near with you, yeah. As the winds of life blow back and forth, and as the winds of life blow back and forth, oh, oh, oh. As the winds of life blow back and forth, I'll be your true.
Question time, boys and girls. Last week I asked you, how does the ducks stop themselves from getting cold when they've got their feet with no feathers and no protection in the cold water? The answer is, when the blood goes into their feet, it will split into tiny veins, thin veins, and go down. So you've got the warm blood coming down, and it goes into the feet, into the water, and gets cooled down pretty rapidly because water is cold. And then when it goes back up, it will go between those warm blood vessels, wrapping around several times, almost like DNA or something along those lines. I'll put a little graph up, hopefully it will make it more sensible and you know what I'm talking about. And then it goes back up to the heart. So it comes down warm, goes down into the feet, back up, and wraps around the warm blood vessels as it's going back up, and that's how it warms up as it goes back up to the heart, and that's how it stops the duck from getting very cold. This week's question is going to be about the cuckoo. Now the cuckoo can mimic 120 different species of birds. Now it mimics the eggs the same shape and colours. Not the same size, but the same shape and colours. Now how does the cuckoo mimic so many different shapes and colours of bird eggs? That is your question. And I will be answering that next week's video, where we probably still will be going after the cuckoo, and I'm going to research into a new location which someone has advised that they've got 3 cuckoos in there at the moment, and they normally get a fair few in that location. But for now we've got to sit here patiently waiting for the cuckoo, which is here. There's 2 cuckoos here, we're pretty sure, because we've heard them call pretty much after each other, and one was in front, one was behind, so you know, normally means that's 2 unless it's a supersonic cuckoo. And last time I checked, they're not particularly that fast. Fast enough, but not that fast.
Show you how much I care. Anywhere with you feels like home. You and me, together everything feels like it's falling into place. You and me, it's all we'll ever need. Even if the sun refuses to shine, as long as you are mine, you are mine, as long as you are mine. I can't explain my love, but you can see it in the sky, the way the sunset gives into the night. It goes on endlessly, even in my dreams. You're the one that's always on my mind. You and me, together everything feels like it's falling into place. You and me, it's all we'll ever need. Even if the sun refuses to shine, as long as you are mine, you are mine, as long as you are You and me, it's all we'll ever need. You and me, together everything feels like it's falling into place. You and me, it's all we'll ever need. Even if the sun refuses to shine, as long as you are mine,
Good news. Seen the cuckoo. Bad news. Didn't get it on video. I spotted it when it was about that far across, and then I didn't have a lot of time to get to my camera, focus and find it and all that type of thing. But it was definitely the cuckoo. Someone else got it on their bins. But that's one major disadvantage of having it on a tripod. If you didn't have it on a tripod, the best thing to do is you got your eye locked on it and put the camera up to your eye. Obviously, if you have got the camera on the tripod, you can't do that. Okay, so we've seen the cuckoo for half a second. Didn't get a photo. We've seen the hobbies. Now we're going to go back to the Tor Hide and see if we can see the Grey Herons coming back down. Hopefully it's not too busy, but it's starting to get a little bit busy around here at the moment. Oh, it's getting a bit busy here. Have a look.
Follow this old river down to where the poppies grow, and drink that cool water till I get my fill. And take me out past the mud and rust and all the broken bones.
Yeah, there's a chicken, that one as well. 11 o'clock, so.
And watch the
Starting
sun
off this
fall
morning
down
was
behind
5:30,
the
I woke up
hills.
and was here by 6.
Right.
So, yeah.
I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song.
It's the dog I recognise.
I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to.
No, it's the dog. No, I remember seeing him walking along the path when I was there.
I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song.
It's really cold.
I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to be.
We are.
That little chick's got his head up now.
Work hard all day, stone by stone for the night to come. There's no sleep like that of tired bones. And rub my hands and whisper to me about tomorrow, about the kids and the house and how we don't have much, but it's enough. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home.
Disappointed.
Turning over cigarettes, I watch her in her sunflower dress. I'm home. Wears the sunshine on her skin by day, and then at night again she's gone.
There's a fair few. Right?
Won't you be all mine?
There is a fair few, yeah. He's just one to see it.
Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head, into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman, be all mine. Dances like a diamond shines, I swear she turns my water into wine. Tells me when I'm doing wrong, and she loves to sway and sing along. She's fine. When my soul is on the ground, she knows to pick it up and hang around. On my mind by night and day, and that's alright, yeah, that's okay for now.
Viewpoint 1. Have a look over the top wall and see if we can see the glossy ibis, if we're very lucky.
Won't you be all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head, and into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman, be all mine. Shadows creep on in your mind, and trouble leaves you high and dry. Oh,
Very good, but a bit too friendly, aren't you?
won't you
Can't see
be
everyone.
all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head, and into my eyes.
That's a bit
Oh,
there.
my worn down woman, oh, my worn down woman, oh, my worn
Just
down
pops his head up occasionally.
Won't you be all mine? Stay a little while. Oh, my worn down woman, got you on my mind. Get you out of my head, into my eyes. Oh, my worn down woman, won't you be all mine?
Start a new recording. There's a chick there. There you go. There you go. Oh yes, yes, yes. Go on, go on. Well, he's eating the feather at the moment. I suppose he's only a chick, but Dad's brought back something. Dad's brought back.
I think I'll go in my bare feet and walk until they start to bleed, so you can see how far you are from me. Sorrow starts to flood my eyes. There's never room for compromise when choosing love that lives in love that dies.
There's two. Really? Yeah, 1, 2.
I will never fall, will never fall in love with you.
told you twice. Now all that's left are 3x5s and empty frames and thoughts of simpler times. You can't pry it from my fingertips, and you'll never hear from my cold lips that from the start I was never convinced. I will never fall, will never fall in love with you. I will never fall, will never fall in love with you. Maybe somewhere late in time we'll have the chance to roll the die, and you pray the numbers will be on our side. I will never fall,
Try and get in front into
never fall
that's on
in
that
love
side.
with you. I will never fall, will never fall in love with you. Oh, I will never fall, will never fall in love with you. I will never fall, I will never fall in love with you. I will never fall, will never fall in love with you.
Now the cuckoo decides to show its face, or show its voice. Now the cuckoo decides to show its voice, but look at this, 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 look at this. Oh, wow. This day has been gorgeous. This morning was beautiful. Unfortunately this afternoon it's a bit... Next week we're either in Rutland or we're in Otmore, I think. I'm going to have a look a bit of research to see about that one. But we want to get the cuckoos and we want to get the osprey. But first of all, let's go and have a look, see up here, see if we can see the ibis. If we can see the ibis, you'll be seeing it in a few minutes. Well, I say a few minutes, you'll be seeing it in a few seconds.
Our hearts beat.
Couldn't you come in a short grass?
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Yeah. He's actually on the bank. You can see him pretty clearly.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Yeah. He's going, it's not probably about a metre, 2 metres away from the San Martin ducks, is that right?
Never stop as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
It's lovely here. If anyone's nearby, Ham Wall is always a good bet to go to. It can get busy. If you want something quiet, then go to Grey Lakes. That's the nice little birds. See all the tits going around. Yeah, quiet. Go to Grey Lakes, or if you want to, you can go to West Hay. That's a nice one. Catcott's a nice one to go to as well, but they're all fairly close to each other. If you got yourself a little van or a little motorhome, come down for a week. Spend a day in each. Sit in there. You might have you might see some wonderful things, but it depends on your patience, and you just need to have the patience.